banking index hits a lifetime high but sees some profit booking. PSU banks head higher, led by PNB and Bank of Baroda, while Axis and ICICI Bank lag.
Coal India's second quarter numbers misses estimates. However, the company goes ahead and announces a big dividend of 15 rupees per share. The street likes that, and that makes the stock the biggest gainer on the Nifty.
Hindalco, however, corrects as Novelis' second quarter disappoints. In the subsidiary in its guidance indicates some pressure on realization, while capex guidance has also been lowered.
PI Industries is buzzing on the back of a solid showing in the second quarter. Margin spikes for Phoenix Mills in the second quarter as well, while profit is higher by 250% from pre-COVID levels.
A bunch of stocks which are losing in trade despite their numbers, or rather on account of their numbers. We have Jubilant Foodworks in line second quarter as far as the revenues and margins are concerned. The stock down 5%. MRF slumps as margins come under pressure, whereas Godrej Consumer too slips after a weaker than expected second quarter.
Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza, and joining me as always is Mangalam Malu. Well, Mangalam, we were expecting to have a good start. We did get a good start, but from the highs, we have seen some bit of selling on the Nifty, and currently we're as flat as can be. The Nifty Bank as well went ahead, made a fresh all-time high today, but that as well has come off the high point of the day. However, in the last few days, the evidence has been you go ahead and you buy the dip and you make some money. Let's see whether or not that'll work this time around. Shilpa Rout is standing by to give us her view on the index. Hi Shilpa, morning. How would you trade the index? Buying the dip has worked. Do you believe buying this dip will work? And if you want to buy it, at what level will you enter the Nifty?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Last we spoke, I remember I was very confident that Nifty will test 18,300 to 400 zone. So we are almost there in futures today. But of course, now again, a little cautious stance because 18,400 will act as a resistance. So either you buy around 18,200 on dips, otherwise a decisive sustain is above 18,400 is a very good buy again. Likewise, Bank Nifty, it has sustained above 41,800. We should see targets of 43,000 to 43,500 zones coming soon.
All right, we take that point of the individual indices, the frontline indices, that is, Shilpa. But, you know, a lot of these stocks are doing extremement well. Case in point, something like a Container Corp, which is moving higher at the high point ahead of its numbers tomorrow. From the financials, we have AU Small Finance doing well. Bharat Forge as well. One of their subsidiaries announced an order win, and that, as a result of that, that stocks spiked to the high point. Do you have any ideas in individual stocks?
Yes, of course. AU Bank Finance, we have been recommending on in PL, from 610 zones for targets of 680 positionals. It is already doing very good. It has tested already 630. So for today, I have two buys. One is Hero MotoCo. It is trading at 2640 in futures. I'm looking for targets at 2680 to 2720 with a stop loss of 2620. Another buy is JK Cement. JK Cement futures trading at 2873.74 now. So positional targets to 3000 and 3030 is very, very likely. Otherwise, intraday also we can look for targets of 2930 to 2940 with a stop loss of for intraday with a stop loss of 2840.
Okay. All right, Shilpa. Thanks a lot for that. We look forward to chatting up with you soon. You've given us your calls on the index as well as a couple of trading calls.